I'm starting all over again. Man, this is, I can't even believe I'm saying this. Oh my goodness. I've reached a point in my life that I want to document every single thing because I felt like if I had documented the past years, I would not have made some mistakes. The good thing is, I've won with my health. I know how to handle my health. I know what to do if I gain a little, bit of fat and I want to get rid of it. I know exactly what to do with my health. Now I am tackling my finances. Yes, that's what I'm rebuilding. Hey guys, my name is IDAK. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome. I'm a mom of four. I'm here on YouTube talking about my life. I'm rebuilding my life. I'm starting life all over. Like I lost everything. I lost my income. It'll be nice to sit down and watch myself when I'm older. That would be nice. So I'll keep sharing. If you're interested in real life gist, money talks, health talks, subscribe and follow me. Let's do this together. Okay? Let me be honest with you. I'm not there financially. Yeah, I hear there's a whole lot of money to be made on this internet. I really want to build a solid business this time around. And when I build that business to a particular place, I will hold on to it because what happened is I built my business to somewhere and then I stopped. I gave it up because I got tired. Now and I want to go back, build a solid business and then watch it grow, nurture it. I want it to be like a generational thing where my great grandchildren can also, come and make money from it as well. This time around, I'm really interested in creating businesses and different streams of income. That's why I'm back again on YouTube. I know YouTube is a good source of is extra income. So I'm here. Let's see how it grows. I'll be updating everybody if this is real or not. I mean, I'm here now to update people. Okay. Actually, today was very interesting. I went for my second interview because I'm also looking for a job. I want to get a job, start from the scratch. So I went for the first job interview, got the job. They said to me, yeah, congratulations, you now have the job, blah, 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 blah. And we'll email you details. And it's been over a week. I've not seen any email. So, my dear, I went for the second interview today. Very interesting. I actually loved the setup. Really, really nice. So I got that one too. I'm hoping that they'll send over the details to me and I can start next week because I, like I said, I'm starting from scratch. I want to have money, like a steady income while I grow at my business on the side. Yes. So fingers crossed, I'll come back and give you people the update and maybe tell you what I'm doing as well. Yeah. So in rebuilding myself, I picked up something I did way back, which I did not even have experience. I didn't have a good experience in that one, but I just thought, oh, it's gonna look fine on paper, and I thought, okay, go and apply for the jobs. I had only about two interviews, and those two interviews did not go well. They just knew I don't have experience. And it looks like nobody is willing to even teach anybody things these days, even when I'm like, I'm willing to learn. So recently, I just said to myself, stop all of that glamour. What do you really want? Now I want the money. I want the money. Oh. So I decided to go with what I know and I love. That's going to make me the money and then diversify, use that and bring up different streams of income, baby. Why I'm so positive that this is going to go well is because on my health journey, I talk about working for fitness, working for my mental health, working that has been have been successful. Now, if I'm moody or anything, I feel any sort of pressure, I just step out and I walk, and it really, really helps me. Even when I want to think about my next goal, my next step, I just spend that time outside, taking in fresh air and walking. So it's a win. My fitness, my health is a win. So I believe strongly that this path I'm also going, this new phase I'm building, will also become a win. Yeah, I'm positive about that. Yeah. I hope I'm looking at the camera. With my walking, like I was saying, when I started, I wasn't thinking losing weight. I was walking because I needed to free up space in my mind. So I need to apply that same principle with my money goals. I don't need to see money as something I need so I can buy something or something. I need to see money as a long-term plan, something that I can live over for other generations to come. So I'm approaching it with that mindset. Oh, and so now this brings me to YouTube. Ah, YouTube, they've brought in this their new monetization rules, and so I'm starting again on YouTube. I'm going to take this channel seriously. I'm going to learn what works. I'm going to push it with all my heart. Because how can I have gold? How can I have resources and I'm not making use of it? Why? So I'm here. I'm going to be here talking and yapping all the way about things that are actually working for me. Yeah, taking it seriously. Yes. Saying YouTube is going to make me 1 millionaire or whatever. I'm just thinking it's going to be a goal I can look forward to, right? And just something that I can say, okay, if I can do this, if I can combine this with my everyday job, then I think it's going to be fun. Yeah, because I'm really loving to just sit down and talk now. Look at the camera and just talk. I love it. Hey, so now I need a proper money goal plan. Oh, I need to sit down and look at my expenses before my salary, before my wages comes. I need to sit down, look at my expenses, know how I'm going to structure everything. I'm not saying YouTube is going to make me money. I'm just saying I need to walk around all my expenses and then have a goal, right? Why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this because I know I will not be the only woman out there that is starting all over at age 40 plus. I'm sure there's a woman out there that's like me and starting all over. I'm just here to encourage everyone that I am doing it, I am starting it, and you can start it. If you're feeling low, go outside and work. If you need more money, start all over, write a plan, right? And just pick it up and start all over. Don't be ashamed of where you're starting. For me, I'm starting at the the last. I'm not ashamed of it. I'm just going to work my way all the way back up. And this time around, I will add God to the matter. God will be by my side. So what am I going to do from here? I don't know. I don't have the perfect answers. That's why I'm documenting it, and that's why I'm hoping that a woman that has made it will come and drop a comment and say, "Do this, do that, do this one, do that one," and also hoping that we can all figure this out together. So we are figuring out business, finances, money goals, exercising, motherhood, everything together on this channel. Yeah, let's do that. If you've watched all the way to this point and you are a woman rebuilding your life, let's do this together. Hit the subscribe button, follow along, give me your own tips, give me your guidance. What are you doing? Do you have Excel sheets you're using to work out your finances? Because I have Excel sheet that I'm spreading out, writing every single expenses. And I have another rule when money comes in, how I'm going to split my income, share it within savings, this one investment, and all of that. I am really educating and documenting every single thing. So follow me, subscribe. And if you love my walking videos, if you love to lose weight or just walk outside, walk 10,000, 8,000, don't put any walking any number to your steps. Just go outside and walk for your mental health, for your to lose weight. Like I said, I started working for my mental health, and then I lost weight along the way, right? So you can watch other videos around them, losing weight, working for fitness, and all of that. Okay, so please follow me or like, subscribe, follow me, share this video to somebody, and let YouTube push it. I'll be here talking about rebuilding my life, finances, working for fitness, healthy living, life, motherhood. In the meantime, follow me. Let's do this together. I always say be healthy and do healthy. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. I'm going for a walk actually. I'm going for a walk right now and it's 7 p.m. But I need to take in just do 1 hour and come back home. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.